which from our pretty loves we hold. Fairline sleepers for the cold, with backers of the field.
They dance, they shoot, they bed of roses. They laugh, they girdle, and I hope. Soon wither, soon rise, soon break, soon break, soon wither, soon rotten. Forgotten. And fallen hearts and reason rotten.
Above the shrine ivy buds, with coral clasp and amber light. And if all these pleasures may be moving, come live with me and be my love.
They welcome rose and amber buds. They coral glass, they ivy buds. They coral glass and amber buds. All this in me, no mystery, come to be and be thy love.
The shepherd's swain shall dance and sing, for each delight, for delight,
What a delight is my morning.
for delight each my morning. And if all this, and if this delight my may, my mind may move, then live with me and be my love.
But would you laugh and love still breathe? Have joy no grace, nor age no peace. Then this delight my mind, my mood. Will it be and be